Imagine uncovering a genetic mystery buried beneath the soil of Mexico, one that challenges everything we thought we knew about mammoths. But here's where it gets controversial. The Columbian mammoths of Mexico, towering giants of the ancient world, may have evolved in ways we never anticipated, and their genetic story is far from straightforward. For the first time, scientists have successfully sequenced ancient DNA from these creatures in tropical latitudes, revealing unexpected and still unexplained differences that set them apart from their northern relatives. Columbian mammoths, Mammothus columbi, were colossal, standing approximately 13 feet, 4 meters tall, dwarfing their woolly mammoth, Mammothus primigenius cousins. These two species not only Their fossils have been discovered across Canada, the U.S., Mexico, and Central America. Yet the specifics of their evolution in the Americas remain shrouded in mystery. And this is the part most people miss. The construction of the Felipe Ángeles International Airport in Santa Lucia, Mexico, beginning in 2019, unearthed over 100 Columbian mammoth fossils, providing an unprecedented opportunity to study these ancient giants. The sheer volume of fossils caught the attention of Federico Sanchez Quinto, a paleogenomicist at the National Autonomous University of Mexico, UNAM. He reached out to the excavation team, leading to a groundbreaking DNA study. Ancient DNA is notoriously difficult to preserve, especially in warm climates, as it degrades rapidly after an animal's death. Sanchez Quinto likens it to ice cream. It melts quickly without the right conditions. Yet Ángeles Tavares Guzmán, a biotechnology engineer and co-author, remained optimistic, inspired by recent successes in extracting ancient DNA from similarly warm environments. The team sequenced 61 mitochondrial genomes from 83 mammoth molars, with 5 samples radiocarbon dated to between 11,000 and 16,000 years old. Their findings, published in Science on August 28, shed new light on the mammoths' journey across the Americas. However, the results were far from expected. While previous research suggested that Columbian mammoths descended from a hybrid lineage of Eurasian steppe mammoths and woolly mammoths that crossed into North America via Beringia, the Mexican specimens told a different story. Here's the twist. The Columbian mammoths in Mexico are genetically distinct from those in the U.S. and Canada. Despite being the same species, their DNA reveals a unique evolutionary path. Even more intriguing, the common ancestor of the Mexican mammoths diverged much earlier than those in North America, suggesting they may have been isolated as they migrated southward. This isolation could explain their genetic uniqueness, but it raises more questions than answers. Study co-author Eduardo Arrieta Donato offers a vivid analogy. Think of the Mexican mammoth's common ancestor as their great-great-great-grandmother, a hybrid of steppe and woolly mammoths. As her descendants moved south, they may have become cut off from other populations, leading to their distinct genetic makeup. This complexity hints that Columbian mammoth evolution was far more intricate than previously believed, with Mexico playing a pivotal role in preserving unique genetic variations. But it doesn't stop there. Other Pleistocene species found in Mexico, such as black bears and mastodons, also show divergent genetic lineages compared to their northern relatives. This pattern suggests that something extraordinary occurred as species migrated southward. But what exactly remains a mystery. Love Delane, a professor of evolutionary genetics not involved in the study, praised the team's achievement, calling it a mammoth feat to extract DNA from such degraded tropical samples. The research also challenges 2 long-held assumptions. First, it proves that ancient DNA can be successfully extracted in warm climates, defying expectations. Second, it highlights the capabilities of labs in the global south to conduct cutting-edge genetic research. As Sanchez Quinto notes, the primary obstacle is often funding, not expertise. To fully unravel these genetic mysteries, more DNA samples from a broader geographic range are needed, ideally collected and analyzed by local scientists. This discovery not only reshapes our understanding of mammoth evolution, but also underscores the importance of studying biodiversity in tropical regions. Here's a thought-provoking question for you. Could Mexico's unique environmental history hold the key to unlocking other evolutionary secrets? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.